What shows are you watching on Netflix? Because I can't find anything that I really want to watch. It's like family appropriate. Not every movie on Netflix is like something that I'm going to be interested in if it's family, and then the kids can be interested in too. So drop me some Netflix shows if you guys are on Netflix. Tell me what you are watching with your families. With all of this coronavirus going around, everything is closed, and I had an eyelash appointment canceled, nail appointment canceled. I figured that if you guys had hair appointments, I'm pretty sure they're canceled. I know some of you can relate right now. Like, look at my wig. And if you was fortunate to get your hair done prior to this, or your nails, here, this is a time where we need to help each other out, because even though we're quarantined, we don't want to sit around just looking busted all day. I mean, look at my wig though. We're gonna do a hair routine for the quarantine. I'm gonna use some things around the house that you can find to assist with your hair, because honestly, I just checked and I'm all out. My bleach is empty. I can't even bleach knots right now. I believe Sally's may be open, but I'm pretty sure if they're open, their shelves are probably empty. We're gonna have to make it do with what it do, boo, okay? And we're going to get through this. So hope you guys are protecting yourselves. We don't want to be sick. No, ma'am. So let's get started. Let's see what we can find around here that we can remove this wig with. Any oil around the house like this. If not, if you have some regular almond oil, any type of oil. And if you don't have any of that, I'm pretty sure you have this. So I know you have some type of alcohol. This is 91% alcohol, and some Q-tips. And I think I'm going to use the alcohol and Q-tips. So I know you got this around the house. Okay. This wig, it is HD wig. It is like glued down. Some Q-tips with some alcohol. I usually take about 2 Q-tips and get close so you guys can see. So I used my wig adhesive around this area, and then I use like hair gel over here. So I'm going to take the alcohol and squirt some onto the Q-tip, and you want to just press it onto that lace where the glue is, and this is going to start to lift up the hair glue. Just kind of rub it gently. Now sometimes you need to let it sit for a few minutes if it's a fresh install, but if it's not fresh, you won't have that problem. So just kind of rub in circular motions, and as you can see, the lace is starting to lift. Now I do have my ball cap method underneath this, and I kind of don't want to mess that up, so I'm gonna keep the same cap. And you never want to pull. Don't pull on your edges. You just kind of want to rub until it loosens up. And the side is already loose, so there you have it. Wig is nice. All right, so the wig I'm going to be using in today's video comes from Evawigs, and we're going to jump into this in a second. I'm going to show you guys how to apply this wig with some household products that you may have while we're stuck in the house. As you can see, it has the really thin HD lace. It comes with bleach knots. It is a 13x6 cap, combs, and adjustable strap. So let's step over here for a second and let me show you guys what you can use to apply your wigs. So if you don't have any hair glue, you can use any type of hairspray that you may have on hand. And hopefully, if you can't find any hair glue, you can at least get to the grocery store and get some hairsprays, because I'm pretty sure any grocery store will have hairsprays. So this can help you touch up your wigs if you are in need, or it can help you reapply your wig if you need to. All right, so I have my wig here, and this is the wig I'm going to be using for this application. So it's fresh out the pack. So if you have a wig that comes with bleach knots already, that is a plus. If you don't, I'm going to also show you how you can make it look natural without you know, having the bleach knots, if you don't have any bleach on hand like I do. But luckily this wig comes with bleach knots, so. All right, so if you don't have any bleach powder to bleach your wig, if you can't bleach the knots on your wigs, then I would suggest using like a fake method, taking some foundation powder and a brush, cap, flip it inside out, just go on the inside of the cap with the powder. Okay, this only takes about a minute. Okay, so I know you got a minute of time. I know you have a minute. It does not even take that long. Just go over the lace. I have my wig on. What you want to do is make sure you tighten the adjustable bands in the back till it's comfortable, so that when you go to apply your wig will not be sliding all over the place. I forgot my hot comb. I gotta go get my hot comb. I'll be right back. All right, now it's time to cut the lace, and this part is very easy, but I'm going to show it just in case you don't know how to cut your lace. So I'm going to use my picking shears. If you don't have this, you can use regular shears, or you can use a razor, whatever you have around your household to cut that. So if you are like me and you have a lot of wigs, they could easily just cut shipping one day, and then we all will not be able to receive our wigs. So if you have wigs, time to start taking care of them, making sure that your wigs stay good. So now is the time to start making sure that your wigs are taken care of. Okay, so right around this part, I'm just going to use regular shears and go up to kind of cut it around the ear, and repeat the same steps on the other side. By the way, if you enter my giveaway in my last video, check the description box. The winner will be below in this description box of this video. Congratulations. Thank you so much for entering. I'm going to be using my favorite products right now. The Heavily Locked styling mousse, the shampoo, the conditioner, a whole kit of goodies. So yeah, if you missed that giveaway, stay tuned for my next video. So I'm going to use the bed head spray, and this one is the hard hold spray. For one, you want to make sure your hairline is lined up before you do this. Make sure it's even. Make sure you don't have to make sure your parting is set right now. Have your wig cap already in position, and you can begin spraying around the hairline. Take that blow dryer to it before that spray dries. Very nicely done with that hairline. Looks really good. So now what you would want to do is, of course, style the wig. I'm going to set my parting. Okay. The cap is a bit big. It is a medium size. I normally wear a small. But I do have a video on how to resize your wig cap. If you need to do that, I will pop it out right here for you. I'm going to take some of this Heavily Locks, and I will also link this below. This is my favorite styling mousse. And I'm going to apply that right around here to kind of set that parting and any flyaways that's on the hair. And I'm going to take some of the Heavily Locks. This is the Argan Shine Serum down the hair on the ends to make sure the ends stay nice and hydrated. Let me go ahead and heat up my Dyson. This is the Dyson Corel flat iron. If you don't have this and you feel like it's too expensive, you can always use any flat iron that you have. I'm just going to use this because I paid for it and I want to use cordless flat iron, and it has these plates that is supposed to really protect the hair, get it nice and sleek. I do have a full video talking about this. I will pop that video out right here. Also, if you missed that video, love this so very much. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to 410. In the meantime, I'm going to take some powder and go down that parting to conceal those knots. But this will help to hide those grids on the lace also. Now, one of you did ask me if I could, you said you wanted to see how the Corel actually curls the hair, so I can add that in here right now, even though I think I want a more straight style. I'm gonna take a piece and I'm going to see if I can add a curl. Ooh, so it does work. There you have it. And it's bouncy too. It don't look flat. That one curl makes me want to curl this hair for real. I was gonna go for a sleek look, but I'm starting to second guess myself. I think I'm gonna do my edges and then I'll decide. Now, if you don't have any of the Heavenly Locks products. I will be sure to link it below in the description box for you guys. And what I'm using right now is just a spoolie for my lashes basically, and then you just want to dry it. Okay, maybe I will do a few curls with this Dyson because I just really like the way that looks, and the curl is very bouncy and I can appreciate that, and I can really appreciate the fact that it don't have a cord. I do need to charge it though because it has not been charged since that video, so I'm kind of working with half a battery. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret. If you are trying to stock up on food because every time you go to the grocery store it's empty, like meats, because I know when I went to the grocery store all the meats was gone, all the bread is gone, all the toilet paper is gone. So the key and the secret, we must got hair on my face. The secret to getting those is to make sure that you go early in the morning, because these stores are closing so that they can restock. So we don't have a shortage on food in the United States. What they're doing is only putting out a little bit at a time. So if you don't get there early, you will not get food. I went to the store like 7 a.m. and shopping, and everything was restocked. And the day before that I went at 4 p.m. and there was nothing there. And I know places like Walmart, if you need toilet paper, Walmart is keeping their toilet paper behind the counter. So I think you have to ask for it. FYI for you guys. And someone asked if Dyson sponsored my last video. No, I purchased my Dyson, okay? And I really like it. And I really like my previous Dyson. And that's the reason why I decided to purchase this Dyson. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. But I'm just adding a little bit of layers right to the front because I don't think I'm going to actually put a curl there. Loosen up these curls because I don't want anything that's real uniform. I just want something that is very loose. And I did not put any hairspray on it. Very shiny, very bouncy. And this hair is unwashed. I have not washed it. I should have. However, I did spray it with some Lysol spray. I'm not even going to lie. I did spray it with some Lysol spray, but, and as you can see, you can get a really nice style at home. If you can't get to your stylist and you need your hair done, it's a lot of things around your house that you can use to achieve at least a decent look until you can get to your stylist again. And if you just happen to have the Dyson, then you can definitely get that at home salon look, just because this thing is amazing, okay? And I just did a video on some self-care tips on how to always look stylish and put together. If you are feeling kind of down right now, check out that video also. All right, so this is the finished look, and whew, my hair looks so much better compared to earlier in the video. Like I was just a mess, okay, hunty, but not no more. So I hope these tips was very helpful for you guys. I will be sure to put everything in the description box. Please, please, please try to avoid big social, groups, just for the sake, if you have kids, your loved ones, people love you out there, so they don't want to see you get sick. There'll be plenty of time for that. Just try to find things around your house that you can do and enjoy your family while you have time with them, because a lot of times we're in school, we're working, and this is just a time for us to kind of sit back and kind of reflect over our life and just enjoy the people around us. So I'll be praying for you guys, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you pray for me too. All right, and I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.